Reed Felton from Accelerated Fastening. We've made a few changes in our saddle, specifically how we hold the nose of the drill. This moves in and out. We call this the V-block now. So, and we use a strap for tightening it onto the drill. So I have pre-adjusted the length. As you can see, we've got slots, and I've pre-adjusted the length just for the video. Now, first thing, take off the U-bolt. Put it through the drill. Then we'll put this over the drill, set this back like so, move this out of the way, and try to get this into the holes here, which is sometimes a trick. There we go. We're started. Now we'll get this on. There's little notches in that V-block, which the band clamp goes into. So I'm just going to tighten this now with a drill driver to have a reference. Don't have to get too carried away. You can kind of snug things up when you're all done. So first look, I'm just going to see, okay, is it looking pretty good? I think I can bring it out just a little bit like that to make it more parallel. So when I tighten the U-bolt, I'll pull it out and away, okay? So let me get that going. The other thing you can do is you can adjust that as well. So we've got a couple means for adjusting this thing. So I'm going to take another look. I'm going to hold it away as I tighten. Okay, there's one. Oh, I'm going to move back a little bit. Get the other one. Okay, so we're kind of back to where we started from, but it's pretty darn close. If you want to be more perfectionistic about it, you could take this V-block, screw it a little bit further, and you'd have a perfectly parallel situation here. But perfection is fleeting, as you all know. So now let's set the trigger wire. Trigger wire goes, or the trigger, that's why we call it the trigger wire. And then we adjust this little clip right here so it contains it in a slot. Okay, that's pretty straightforward. Now, what we want to do is put a little tension on this and then tighten up this set screw. This way, the trigger wire does not fall off the trigger. And you are set to go. Pretty straight. You know how to adjust it here. You can adjust it for length. You can adjust the trigger wire. Ready to go on to the ratchet drill. Thanks, everybody. Reed Felton. Call me anytime, 414-881-6630.